Hello friends, I'm going to show you the Wedding Zone web application uh, in a Django. So uh, basically what we use to build this application, we use Bootstrap and backend for Django and the Postgres SQL. So here we go. We'll open in a VS Code. So first thing I have to do, I have to activate my virtual environment. So that's let me do it. Okay, okay. Now let's open in a code VS Code. Okay, so first I will close all this application and this pages. So here we can see that here we have all files. So first I'll go through this requirement. So for this application we need these packages to be installed. So for that I have already installed this requirements, but I'll tell you that what you have to do to install this requirement. Just you have to write command python manage.py and on requirement.txt. Okay, what's he saying? Manage.py type. um, okay, no, we don't need to like pip install. This pip is the package installer, right? Package manager installer. Install. So it's saying that the requirements are already satisfied. So it means I have installed all the requirements. So we can see in pip bridge what I used to be like all this requirement I have already. So let's run this project. Python manage.py. Okay, here we go. We got a link. So this is our home page of Wedding Zone and this project. Everything is dynamic here. Everything is dynamic data. If you uh, Here we have vendor panel and the user panel and admin panel. So first we'll create user panel and then let's see what we can do in a guest panel without any login. So can we book without login? Let's see. Okay, like here we can't book without login. It's saying that you have to log in to book any service. And here we can go by filter. We have all services. We have paginations and search. You also can search by a range, price range. So if I reduce the price, let's search it. It will show below the 28,000. So it all working, I think. And here we have a photo gallery that's also dynamic thing here. Contact, yeah, we can do contact to the admin or the owner or the vendors by this all are dynamic. This all field are dynamic. So let's create a vendor. Here we can let's create a user panel here. So if I like create a what's the name? hmm Okay, Rosen. So if if I click on vendor, so it will we will log in as a vendor, but we don't want to log in as a vendor. We just want to log in as a user, simple user. So we'll click on login button. So here you can see you are registered successfully. But if I do login with the same name again, register myself with the same name, so it will throw error. So there are lots of validation in this project. So it will say that user already exists or something, and even we have to set a strong password. If you know, there are some parameters we have to. Okay, username already exists. If you do with the with the only like username also different, should be different, unique, and email address should be different, and the password should be a, you know, like a strong password, uppercase, lowercase, and the special character also. Without it you can't log in. So there are some validations. So we created a Rosun account. Rosun username, password was something like this. Okay, so here we can see you logged in successfully. So you have no booking history, you can book. And here we can see the dashboard, the profile for user. Welcome Rosan. Here you can change your password. Also you can change your name. Okay, so yeah, if I do Rosa, update successfully. Yeah. So here you can change your password, change your name, some information you can change, and the login button. So after login, if you go for any package or any service, you will see there is a book now button. But before it was not there, but now we can see the book now button because we are logged in. And testimonial, here also we have a one button that after login, we have a one button that we can edit the reviews here. Okay, about the services, that how service was like. So here we have filter also, like if we can filter by the state, so we can see that all the Madhya Pradesh services will we can see. And if we search by like Karnataka, yeah, we have all services of Karnataka. So here also we can search by name. So Amina, okay, so I will search here Amina, and I will do click on Amina. So yeah, here we can say we can search by the name also. And let's book any package, like any service here from. So I will like to book photography. Mysore Karnataka. Okay, so let's say we have book button. So the system already have know your name, so we don't need write we don't write need to write our name, and also we don't need to like but here we can select our city. Okay, MP, sort from MP. For which state we are booking, you know. Okay, this is our date. Okay, I'll select any number here, a random number, not any. We have to write the name of God, Rosen. It's a dummy payment gateway, so here you have to just write something. Okay, okay, expiry 2016 August. Okay, hmm, okay, 123. It's a dummy payment gateway, so yeah. Okay, for this date, this service already booked. So for that, we need to choose any other service. Okay, so Karnataka, the candidate house. Okay, let's see. 10th. Rosen. Okay, so there are lots of validate and unnecessary. I think it is. Yeah, this service is already booked. Don't kidding me. Let's see it's booked or not. I mean, hmm, view cinematic. Okay, I changed this name, right? Service ID 8. So let's delete all this. I think all order. Let's delete it. Okay, so we don't have any orders now. So yeah, let's see now. Uh, Log out. Go to our log in as a Rosan. Son. Okay, so let's book this one. Oh, thank you for booking. We will get back to you soon. Okay, let's see. We can see also in our dashboard. So yeah, and we can cancel it now. But there is a validation that if you can cancel it within a 24 hours only. You can't cancel it tomorrow. Like after, if you try to cancel after 24 hours, it will throw error that you can't cancel it now, like that. So I will show you that error later. Okay, so now we can see we have booked this one. So who is the vendor for this service? I think admin is the vendor, but let's see. Let's book one more this service, right? So let's see. Okay, so yeah, Rosen. Okay, thank you for booking. Now we have two services. I have to. So yeah, here we can see that we booked two services, and let's. The vendor is Johnny, right? So let's open the vendor account. Okay. So if you don't have vendor account, we can go here and we can create account here. And if you do click, it's the we have the same page for vendor user, but if you click on the vendor, it will you will log in as a vendor. Like you have to select the service what you provide, and you can register as a vendor. But let I have already vendors. Okay, as a Johnny, so let me open it. Yeah, you are logged in. So now you can see the Rosen booked this service, uh, uh, and when someone booked, it was a 50,000, and the 10% goes to the admin, and the 90% uh, the vendor goes to the vendor. Okay, so here we can see the commission goes to the admin panel. And if you want to add any service, you can add here. Like because Johnny logged in as a photographer, so it can't be changed. Okay, but he can add his service here. Okay, and also he can cancel from here, and up and what we can see, yeah, here we can Johnny can update his profile, the dashboard. Okay, and testimonial, Johnny can't add any testimonial because this one is the vendor panel. That's why. Yeah. So let me log it out, and let me show you the admin panel. Like here we have admin panel, admin. So you can see we have a vendor. So we have vendors here. Okay, and we have users here in this user table. We have orders, so which we to log order. Rosen, orders two services, right? So we can see here, and the about us picture, which we like. If I tell you about us picture is like, yeah, this image is also dynamic, this one. So here you can change. Okay, and the image of about image. Here you will get all the mm, when someone send you message from here, so admin will get here in a contact. Okay, all the reviews here you will get the as a testimonial. And if you want to display it, if someone will send you test, admin send submit any testimonial or review. So first it will like it will not publish on the testimonial side. Now here you can see by default it will be untick, and then after only admin can publish it. Like if I do tick here, so here we can see the two testimonials here. Yeah, so teams, yeah, here you can add teams, your team members for this maintaining a website or here service. Yeah, here you can service aid service. Okay, all the service. Here also you can delete, edit, anything. You can do anything. Like you can delete also from here. Yeah, you also can do edit if you want to edit something in your service. So that's all the functionality. We have dynamic functionalities in this admin in this project. So I think we have done. Like, thank you for watching.